If you are an existing writer and you are looking for a way to make more money writing article online as a side hustle or at your free time, so in this video I'm going to share with you 9 great websites that can actually pay you from $50 to $100 per article. So, and each of these websites are not any website that you have actually heard before. So whether you are a writer looking for an established sales channel to spread your word, or a guest blogger or as a ghostwriter, so trying to promote and expanding your traffic as a writer. So this 9 website will definitely help you to write for them and pay you awesome. So many websites actually pay per post if you actually work on Fiverr and Upwork like that, but getting to work directly with a website is actually different. So I'll be sharing with you the 9 websites that actually pay you from $50 to $100 per article if your article get approved or published on the website. So definitely you are going to get paid from $50 to $100. So the number one website we are going to be looking at is Greatest. So this Greatest is the website that actually publish different kind of content which focus on a relationship, mental health, and a life that affect people aged from 20 to 30. So we are going to be writing articles that relate to any of these mentioned niches or categories, which is relationship, mental health, or better health. So if your article gets published on the platform, so definitely you are going to get paid from $50 to $100. So the article word counts that are expected for this website are from 1,000 words to 1,500 words. And don't forget, the niche is mental health, relationship, and become health. So if your article is unique and it got published on this platform, so they are going to pay you either from $50 to $100. Number 2, Longreach. Longreach is a website which is dedicated to short interview, reference, blog post, personal essay, and critical essay, book reviews, research project, and a length journalist. So if you are an expert in any of these mentioned niches or categories, so definitely you are the right person to work with Longreach. So the word count for each blog post that you can actually write to get approval on this platform is from 800 words to 6,000 words, depending on the category you actually want to write for. So, and this website actually pay from anything from $50 to $100. So based on how interesting your topics or your article is, they are going to also tip you more than the aforementioned price list. So make sure you write a unique content for this website and you're going to get paid awesomely. Number 3, Listverse. So Listverse is an arguable and the best authority on the website when it comes to a listing with over 15 million monthly readers on the platform. So they find a unique list of 10 items, typically at least 1,500 words before you can actually get approval on this website. And the word count is from 1,000 words to 1,500 words. And once your article gets picked, so you are going to earn at least from $50 to $100 per article. So imagine you working with them and get like 5 to 10 articles published on a monthly basis. So that is averagely from $500 to $1,000. So that is on the side also, and you actually network from that platform to another platform as well, so you are going to make more money. Number 4, Beach Media. Beach Media find articles about feminists that are well researched and supported by evidence and statistics. So they want the article to spark debate and establish a link between the writer's personal experience and greater social power. So they want the article that will be published on the platform to be a feminist response to popular culture. Article can actually be between 1,200 words to 3,000 words. So they pay from $50 to $100 as well, and you can actually write on each of the categories that actually belongs to based on what I have mentioned before as feminine niche. So you can actually get paid working with this platform, which is Beach Media. Number 5, Cracked. What is Cracked? Cracked find interesting and clever article mainly in the list format and pay between $50 to $100 depending on how your article actually interests the audience. So the niche is actually general and humor, so you can actually write between, check the platform and see what kind of content you are actually writing, then generate the related content within that niche, and of course you actually get paid for each article you write on the platform. Number 6, Metro Parents. This is kind of like a parent niche, and if you are a moms or dad that at home, so and actually an expert in writing, so working with Metro Parents will definitely be the right option you actually put in today. So writing from 1,000 words to 2,000 words will definitely get you approved on Metro Parents, and they prefer articles from local freelance writers from the a certain locations. But if you are from anywhere in the world, you can actually list the your location when you're actually publishing a content or post on the platform, so and they will definitely get you approval. So they pay by check when your article is published in the first week of the publication month. So and the niche is actually parenting. If you fall into any of this, if you fall into this niche, so this is the right platform for you. Number 7, the Travel Writer's Life. What is the Travel Writer's Life? They are looking for articles on how to write, take pictures, travel, or pay for traveling by other means. So if you are a travel blogger and you actually want to share your experience online, so this platform will definitely help you out, and they are going to pay you from $50 to $100 for each of your article which you share with them. So this niche is for a travel experts or travel bloggers. Number 8, Fiverr. Fiverr is a platform that helps you to make money online, and you can actually make at least from $50 to $100 per article you write on the platform. So most especially if you are an expert in parenting or travel blog, so Fiverr will pay you $50 to $100 to write an article based on any of these niches or industry or categories. People in travel niche are looking for experts who have travel experience or parenting advice, who can actually write article for them online. So working on Fiverr as a writer in any of these two categories, which is travel or parenting, freelance buyers or clients on Fiverr will definitely hire you to work with them and get paid for any article you write for them. Number 9, Upwork. Upwork is a platform that I believe that they can pay you even more than $100 based on the article you write for them, and this is on a regular basis if you work with the right client on the platform. So if you are into any travel niches or travel advice, coaching, and parenting and feminism as well, so working with Upwork will definitely give you the chance to make more money on a monthly basis. And there are a lot of rich clients on the platform who actually pay more money for quality works that is done. So working on Upwork will definitely give you the high authority to work from home at any time you want, and with ease work, because the less you work, the higher you get paid based on your experience. So if you work with any of these platforms, so they are going to pay you exact money are actually requested for. So working with any of these 9 websites definitely make make more money online as a writer who is experienced in writing articles. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next one.